logarithm. Ito yung problem natin. Problem natin is log 3. Log 3 of 9 minus log 2 of 8 divided by log 3 of 9. Now, first step. Ang step 1 natin, evaluate. Evaluate log 3. Log 3 of 9. The expression of log 3 of 9 is evaluated by determining the power which 3 must be raised to 10 9. Maghanap ka ng number para i-multiply mo para it becomes 9. Now, ang log 3 of 9, evaluate this log 3 of 9 is 3 squared, diba? Is equal to 9. Diba? Why? 3 times 3 is equal to 9. Diba? Since 3 squared is equal to 9, it is found that log 3 of 9 is equal to 2. So, log 3 of 9 is equal to 2. Diba? Okay. Ito naman, log 2 of 8. Okay. Minus log 2 of 8. Ang log 2 of 8, the expression log 2 of 8 is evaluated, same by determining the power which 2 must be raised to 10 8. Alright, no? 2. So, anong pwede? Anong number pwede siya para maging 8? So, 3, di ba? 2 raised to the power of 3. Alright? 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Alright? 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Times 2 is equal to 8. Di ba? 8. 8. So, since 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 8, it is found that the log of 2 of 8 is equal to what? Is equal to 3. Ito, 3. So, we have here, ang log 3 of 9 is equal to 2. Tapos, log 2 of 8 is equal to 3. Diba? So, we have here 2 and 3. Ito naman, denominator is same lang dito. Log of 3, so 3 pa rin. So, log of 3, denominator, log 3, 8 is equal to 2. Alright to. So, meron na po tayo dito. Bali dito, ang log of 3 of 9 is equal to 2, then log 2 of 8 is equal to what? 3. So, next, substitute natin the values into expression. So, the evaluating values ito yung mga evaluated values natin are substituted into the given expression. What is the given expression? The given expression is log, alright, no? Log 3, 9 minus log 2, 8 divided by log what? 3, 9. So, substitute natin, di ba? Ang sabi sa principle, sa rule, the given expression log 9, log 3 of 9 minus log 2 of 8 divided by log 3 of 9. So, this result in the expression is, what is log 3 of 9 is 2 minus log 2 of 8 is 3. So, same lang to dito, denominator to numerator is 2. Tingnan nyo. Alright. Now, perform the arithmetic operations. The subtraction. Tingnan nyo. The subtraction and the numerator is performed yielding 1. Nag-negative siya. It's negative. 2 minus 1 is negative. Negative 1 divided by what? 2. So, yun. The expression becomes negative 1/2.